Today we want to extract all digits from the text. So we want the digits from at the start of the text, in the middle, and at the end of the text. And how can we do it? We will be creating formula for legacy Excel and for dynamic array Excel. And let's start from legacy Excel. And in those solution, we will be needing mid function that allows us to extract from the longer text, extract just a part of it. And we are starting from, for example, the sign number 2, so from the second sign, so on the second char, and we want to extract the number of char, and we need to extract one chart at the time. And for example, the second chart is number 2, digit 2, to be more precise. And we just need to extract each chart individually. And we can do it by changing start number argument to the sequence of arguments. So in dynamic array Excel, we just have to use sequence function, but in legacy Excel it will be more complicated. So how can we do it? How can we create a sequence of numbers? We can use row function to look at some rows, and when we are looking at rows, the row function will return number of each row in this range. So our task is to create this reference to rows, and this reference can be simple, write as one column in as a text, so in double quotes, and then we need to combine this with the length of this text, so the number of chart in here, and we can see it's 1 to 9. It looks like reference to rows in Excel, but it's just text, so we need to use indirect function to change this text to actual reference. And because we reference the rows, it's too many cells and so on, we don't get a result from this function. We need to put this function, indirect function, in the row function, and thanks to that we will get the list of arguments. Of course, the list will spill only in dynamic array Excel. In legacy Excel, we will have to put our formula with Ctrl+Shift+Enter to get the result. But when we have the sequence, we can add the mid function, and this will be this text, this start number, and once again just only one chart at the time. And now we will get the list of charts, and all of them are treated as text because we are using text function, mid function, and we can change numbers to our text to number by adding 2 minuses, so creating a mathematical operation on this number, and the double minus is the fastest from those operations. And we can just put this formula, and now we have digits where we extract digit and errors when we have text. So we just need to change these errors into empty text string, so we can use if error function, and as value if error we just put 2 double quotes, and just like that we have only numbers and empty text strings. So we now can just concat those values, and we extract numbers from this text digits from this text to be more precise. And if we want to preserve leading zeros, we need to leave it as a text. If we don't care about this, we can once again add 2 double minus before this text, and the conversion will happen. And for dynamic array Excel, the formula is most cases the same. We have let's delete those minus at the start. We just need to change the argument for start number. We don't need to use row and indirect function. We just need to use sequence function and the length of these numbers. And I need to delete one parenthesis, and this should be fine. And now we have results in dynamic array Excel and in legacy Excel.